Welcome to the top best. The best M6 TV mounting screws is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components when setting up your new television, ensuring a secure and stable connection between your TV and its mount. These seemingly small pieces of hardware play a vital role in preventing accidents and guaranteeing that your expensive display remains safely in place, especially in households with children or pets, making their selection a critical step in the installation process. Number 5. VIVO M4, M8 Universal TV and Monitor Mounting Hardware Kit. Tired of searching for the right hardware? Our universal bolt, spacer, and washer kit is designed to fit virtually every VISA-compatible screen, removing the frustration from mounting your TV. This comprehensive kit includes M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws and spacers. It's engineered to fit most TVs and monitors on the market, supporting screens up to 80 inches. Rest assured, your display will be held securely. The bolts are constructed from sturdy steel, ensuring both small and large screens are safely mounted. No more digging through a mess of parts. Every piece of hardware is clearly labeled and packaged separately, making it easy to find exactly what you need right out of the box. Forget the hassle of mismatched or missing parts. This universal mounting kit simplifies the installation process, allowing you to set up your TV quickly and easily. What we like. This universal mounting kit is designed to take the guesswork out of finding the right hardware. It includes a wide range of M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, spacers, and washers to fit virtually any VISA-compatible screen up to 80 inches. If you have a TV with obscure mounting hole sizes or just want a hassle-free installation, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The M6 TV mounting screws are well made and fit perfectly with my TV mount. These screws are sturdy and provide a secure connection for my television. The included spacers are a great addition, making installation easier and ensuring a flush mount. Number 4. Mr. Penn 146 PCS Stainless Steel Nuts and Bolts Assortment Kit. Introducing a complete assortment of 146 pieces designed to meet all your fastening needs. This kit offers a wide variety of essential components for any project. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these fasteners are built to last. They are highly durable and resistant to rust, ensuring reliable performance over time. This assortment includes a range of metric sizes, featuring M6 screws in multiple lengths. You'll also find flat washers, lock washers, and nuts to complete your tasks. Everything is neatly organized within a compact and durable storage box. This makes it easy to find what you need quickly and transport it wherever you go. Whether you're working on construction, repairs, or your next DIY project, this kit is perfect. It delivers reliable performance for both professionals and hobbyists. What we like. This is a comprehensive assortment of M6 screws, nuts, and washers, all made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional who frequently works on various projects and needs a reliable, long-lasting supply of metric fasteners, this kit offers excellent value and organization. What people say. The screws are very sturdy and well made. They fit perfectly into the wall mount and the TV. The included anchors are also high quality and make installation easy. Number 3. Mount It, Universal TV Mounting Hardware Kit. This hardware kit is designed to work with most TV and monitor mounts, including popular brands. It ensures a secure fit for TVs ranging from 19 to 85 inches. You'll receive a complete set of 92 pieces, including M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, washers, and spacers. Everything you need for your VISA wall mount installation is included. Each piece is sorted and clearly labeled for easy identification. This saves you time and ensures you select the correct hardware for a smooth installation. The included screws, washers, and spacers are made from high-quality steel. This ensures strength and durability for long-lasting performance and a secure mount. It's ideal for mounting flat-panel TVs, monitors, and other VISA-compatible devices. This kit accommodates various mounting requirements, including those for curved or large-size screens. Achieve a stable and secure fit with this kit, giving you peace of mind. It's suitable for both home and office environments, with easy-to-follow instructions for a smooth setup. What we like. This hardware kit offers broad compatibility, fitting most TV and monitor mounts for screens ranging from 19 to 85 inches, including major brands. With 92 pieces of M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, washers, and spacers, it ensures you have everything needed for a secure installation. If you're looking for a complete, high-quality set that simplifies the mounting process for a wide range of TVs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The M6 TV mounting screws are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. These screws are designed with a universal fit, compatible with most TV wall mounts and VISA patterns. The package includes various lengths of M6 screws, providing flexibility for different TV models and mounting situations. Number 2. Mounting Dream Universal TV Mount Screws Kit MD5754. Tired of searching for the right screws for your TV mount? Our universal kit includes all the necessary M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, along with spacers and washers. It's designed to fit virtually any TV or monitor, ensuring a secure connection with any wall mount, stand, or bracket. No matter the brand or type of your television, this kit has you covered. It's engineered to be compatible with all screens on the market, including curved models from major brands like Samsung and Sony. Crafted from premium, long-lasting materials, these screws, washers, and spacers guarantee a smooth and safe installation. You can trust them for a secure and stable mounting experience. We've made installation a breeze. Each component is clearly labeled and pre-divided in the package, saving you time and frustration. Finding the right part has never been easier. Easily identify the correct screw for your TV's mounting holes using the provided images. If you don't find the perfect match, explore our other options at Mounting Dream. We're confident you'll find what you need. What we like. This kit is designed to work with any TV mount and includes M4, M5, M6, and M8 screws, spacers, and washers for TVs up to 82 inches. The components are made from premium, solid materials for a smooth and safe installation. If you need a versatile and reliable hardware set that guarantees a fit for virtually any screen and mount combination, this is the one to consider. What people say. These screws are made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and strength. The M6 size is perfect for most TV mounts, providing a secure and stable connection. The included washers prevent damage to the TV screen and ensure a snug fit. Number 1. TVBolts M6 Mounting Bolts. Tired of searching for the right TV mounting hardware? We have the perfect solution for any TV requiring M6 bolts. Our kit comes complete with spacers and washers, ensuring a secure and proper fit for your television. With multiple lengths to choose from, you'll find the exact screw size needed for a hassle-free installation. Constructed from durable, zinc-plated steel, these screws are built to last and resist corrosion. Featuring electrostatic discharge preventive coating, it offers added protection for your valuable electronics. We guarantee a 100% sure fit for your TV mounting needs. Trust in our quality for a secure setup. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime guarantee. We stand behind the quality and durability of our product. What we like. This product focuses specifically on M6 mounting bolts, offering a sure fit for any TV requiring this size. Made from durable, zinc-plated steel with electrostatic discharge prevention, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. If your TV specifically requires M6 bolts and you want a product with a guaranteed fit and long-term durability, this is the straightforward and reliable choice. What people say. The M6 TV mounting screws are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. These screws are designed with a universal fit, compatible with most TV wall mounts and VISA patterns. The package includes various lengths of screws, providing flexibility for different TV models and mounting situations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.